Ultra rare 1971 Dodge Charger RT, factory V code, 446 pack, numbers matching car, multiple broadcast sheets, multiple fender tags, restorations by Julius out of the Wellborn Museum. That buzzing you hear, that's the key buzzer. It still works. Dome light works. Clean as a button in the center console. Getting a little gray here, that's just from the sunlight. The carpet's black as black. Glove box, light.
Along with Madeline Woods.
Radio works.
Information Network. Now, here's Terry McCready with your Healthy Minute.
There's your gauges working. Pretty much on a cold start. Oil pressure gauge working. Fuel gauge working. Thing purrs like a kitten. High-end quality restoration by Julius. Again, we have a bright day. Getting a little glare, a lot of glare on that door panel. It's coal black. Again, hear the key buzzer. Everything works on this car. And functions correctly. Seat belts, etc. Rear defroster, very rare.